packed my hope and come back. Waited for the dawn, trains fading in the valley. Soon I'll be moving on. The hills were morning silence, river winding near. Every shadow stretches, freedom's drawing near. From Kautenbach to Esch-sur-Sûre, through forests salt and streams so pure, mountain air and open sky wander on. Let worries fly. Steep trails carve a hillside, moss beneath my feet, whispering of castles lost, of secrets that they keep.